Morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be talking about geese, but not any kind of geese, Egyptian geese. Off in the distance there, we have two birds. These particular birds are highly territorial. In fact, we'd best not approach them. So for now, we'll keep our distance. Did you know that a baby geese is called a gosling? Like Ryan Gosling. He's literally me. So, these birds usually weigh about 3 to 5 pounds, and they can grow up to 2 feet in height. Their wingspan, roughly 3 feet. These two, they're both girls. You can tell by the color of their plumes.
Can you actually hear any of this?
So these birds here, these two are particularly female. You can tell by the color and the size of their plumes. The ladies, typically about 3 pounds, the males up to 5 pounds. Their wingspan, anywhere between 3 to 4 feet, and they can grow up to 2 feet in height. Right now, they're chipping and chapping, as they typically would. These are not true geese. They're called Egyptian geese, but they're actually part of a shell duck family. They're closer to ducks than they are to geese. Let's get a close look. Okay, we'll let it go real low. Truly a magnificent species. So these birds will typically eat reeds and grasses, but they will also eat locusts and other bugs, particularly invertebrates. Are you getting this? Are you seeing this? Truly a majestic bird. Now, these birds are high on their food chain. Real top apex predators.
Keep going, why you stop?
Thank you for that. So these birds, they really drive out other native species. Other predators don't mess with them, not even the men in the walls. You getting this? Yeah, I got it. We have a very nice situation here. Normally, these geese, they drive out all other species of bird. But right now, we've actually got a rare white crane right here, right in front of us. Really a beautiful bird. Look at that neck. Slender and elegant. Like Paul.
Motherfucker.
These birds are exceptional foragers. We can learn a thing or two from their example. I've collected some groundwater here, and I'm gonna drink it. Oh, phenomenal stuff. You want some?
No.
Try it. Try it.
I'm good.
Now what we have here is a shrine that the natives built to these majestic and noble birds. When you pass by, you must pay your respects.
What the fuck are you doing? Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Look at him.
You're canceled! You're canceled!
This has been Nature Today with Gear Brills. Till next time, boys and girls.
Hit him with a car!